All right, we're back at it again. So we have more videos on exponents. We're getting a little bit more complex, but that's because you can handle it. All right. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. So here we have this one. Uh, we did say when you have a negative exponent, you're going to do the reciprocal. We had to make some of the other ones fractions, but these are already fractions. So all we're going to do is just do the reciprocal. So the 2's going to the denominator and the 3's going to the numerator. Okay, so that's going to be 3/2. And now it's to the first power. It's a positive one now because we did the reciprocal. Okay, times this other one has a negative exponent as well. So we're going to do the reciprocal here as well. The 3a is going to the denominator and the 2b is going to the numerator. And the 2 will become positive. This one right here will become positive. All right, so then we have 2b, or not to be, no, 2b, and then we have 3a, and this is now squared to the second, so to the second power. Okay, so let's keep moving here. So anything to the first power is itself, so we have 3/2. I'll get rid of the 1 because anything to the first power is itself. And then times, I'll keep this in parentheses though. So then right here, this is basically saying 2b times 2b and then 3a times 3a, which is the same as giving each one of these a 2 and giving each one of these a 2, or squaring each of these. And if you don't see any exponents, they're understood to be ones, okay? So let me kind of undo that so you can see what's happening here. So if you don't see an exponent, it's actually understood to be a 1 there. And that's what we're saying over here. This, anything to the first power is itself. So same thing. Second, 2 to the first power is 2. B to the first power is B. A to the first power is A. 3 to the first power is 3. So now when I give each one of these a 2, it's 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2. So then this is going to be 2 to the second power times b to the second power all over 3 to the second power and a to the second power. You all are getting this. You're getting this. So we're still multiplying these. All right. There's this huge dot in the middle. So I'm going to write this again over here. So we'll have more space. So this is going to be 3 to the second. And I'm going to go ahead and solve this. So 2 to the second is 4. And b squared is just b squared. So we have 4b squared all over. And then 3 to the second power is 9. And a to the second power is just a to the second power, a squared. We are multiplying. We are multiplying. Okay, so now we just multiply horizontally. 3 times 4 is going to give us a 12. And then we have our b squared. So really you're saying 3 times 4b squared is 12b squared. Divided by, then we multiply horizontally again. 2 times 9 is 18. And we have a squared. All right. And if we want to do some simplifying with this, the coefficients of each of these, we can, they both have 6's in them. So this is really 2, I'm going to stop playing, 2/3. And in the numerator, we have b squared. Denominator, we have a squared. This is a b, not a 6. B. And then this is a squared. All right, there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. I think you can handle one more. I think we can do one more. Do one more. Come on. We got this. We got this. All right. Let's go here. Let's go here. So this is a cubed to the raised to the fourth power, which will be a cubed times a cubed times a cubed times a cubed, which really is just, you can just multiply these and come up with that. So that would be a to the 12th. Because again, we said you'd have a cubed times a cubed, because the exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base. This would be considered the base because it's in parentheses here. So you do that to the fourth power, okay? So then we'll multiply, and then multiply this times this, and -3 times -2 is +6. So we have a to the 6th power here. And then we said if you have the same base, all you have to do is add your exponents. So let's add those exponents. A to the 12, a to the 12 plus 6, more 6, all right, equals a to the 18th. All right, that's our answer. See if we can get a better A here. Can we get a better A? Can we get a better A? All right, so that's going to be a to the 18th power. So whether we get a better A or not, which we did, this is our answer. So take notes, do what you have to do here, but do get it, because I know you can do this. All right, keep it going, keep it going. You all got this, you got this, you got this. Super scholars, you're going to win. You're going to win. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. You all do very well. You all do well. Stop this recording. Have a good day. Be